Hello students, good morning to all of you. So welcome to the maths class. We were discussing about the similarities of the triangles. In that similarities of the triangle exercise 8.3 applications we are discussing. In that exercise 8.3 applications, then 4 questions explained. Now fifth one. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Already in previous video I explained these all concepts at a time. Okay, first I proved that ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides, and ratio of the areas of the two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding altitudes. These two complete explanation on board I gave, and the rest of the two I wrote as a corollary that I asked you to do that one. Already I gave hint. So next one is that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding medians is the fifth question. Hope you can do that one. Because already I explained the previous one place only explained. Previous video explained these are all. Another one also extra additional one also I gave. What is that one? The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their angle bisector segments. This also I gave. Okay. Now fifth one I am not discussing. In case anybody have doubt, please text me. Once again I will revise it. Hope because once revise the previous videos. If you revise previous videos, you get their this concept there. Now sixth question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF they given. BC is equal to 3 centimeters, EF is equal to 4 centimeters, area of triangle ABC is equal to 54 centimeters square they given, and determine the area of the triangle DEF. Determine the area of the triangle DEF. Since ratio of the first concept, ratio of the areas of the two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides point. So ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Using that concept, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to, here draw the graph diagram, ABC DEF, and here the given information is BC and here EF is given. So I take these two corresponding sides only. I don't take AD and DE because I don't know AD and DE sides measurements. So BC square by EF square. Now area of the triangle is ABC is 54 by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square is 3 square by 4 square. Now 54 by area of triangle DEF, ABC area 54 they divide. is equal to 9 by 16. Cross multiply here. 9 into area of triangle DEF is equal to 54 into 16. 9 ones, 9 sixes. So area of triangle DEF is equal to 16 sixes, 96 centimeters square. Is it clear? Please write down. After the explanation of every problem, I am giving time to note down those. I am giving a little pass. So please write the classwork from the videos only. Okay, separate notes we don't send, sir. Other than your textual problems, we will send. See here now, next. ABC is a triangle and PQ is a straight line meeting AB in P and AC in Q. PQ is a straight line. AB in P and AC in Q. If AP is equal to 1 centimeter and PB is equal to 3 centimeter, AQ is equal to 1.5 centimeter, CQ is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Then prove that area of triangle APQ is area of 1 by 16 of area of triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, PQ meets AB at P and AC at Q. They given here AP is equal to 1 centimeter, PB is equal to 3 centimeters. Now find out the ratio AP by PB is equal to 1 by 3. First one. Again, one more thing what they given here, AQ is equal to 1.5 centimeters and QB is equal to, QC is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Again, the ratio find out, AQ by QC is equal to 1.5 by 4.5, point remove it. Now AQ by QC is equal to 15 by 45, 15 1 thus, 15 3 thus. AQ by QC is equal to 1 by 3, equation 2. Now, in these two equations, the right hand side is 1 by 3, ratio is same. From equation 1 and equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, right hand side is same. So AB by PB is equal to AQ by QC. AB by PB is equal to AQ by QC. Since right hand side is same now, obviously left side also equal only. So by converse of BBD, BBD and BBD converse. What is BBD? BBD is a line drawn parallel to one side will divide other two sides of the triangle in the same ratio. In a triangle, a line drawn parallel to one side will divide other two sides in the same ratio. That is the statement of BBD. And what is converse of BBD? If a line divides in two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then that line is parallel to the third side. Parallel to the third side. By converse of BBD. BC. So these two corresponding angles are equal. So angle ABQ is equal to angle ABC, and also angle AQP is equal to angle ACB. Corresponding angles are equal. So by AA similarity, PQ parallel to BC. By AA similarity, triangle APQ is, I am not writing separate, I am not writing here. In triangle APQ and triangle ABC, angle APQ is equal to angle ABC, and angle AQP is equal to angle ACB. By AA similarity, triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC. Now I am area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC is equal to AP by AP square by PD square. Now area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC is equal to, AB is nothing but a 1 square, sorry, this is AB square. Correct it, please correct this one. APQ by ABC is but AP square by AD square. Please correct this one. Now 1 square, AB is nothing but a 3 plus 1. AB means the total this length. 3 plus 1 is 4 square. Now area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 16. Transfer this one. Area of triangle APQ is equal to 1 by 16 of area of triangle ABC. I think this only we have to prove it. See here, first since this line is intersecting, they did not mention anywhere they are parallel, so you can't take they are similar. So, but the ratios I found 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 not. So ratios are equal. So AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. Now by converse of BPT, PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. Since PQ is parallel to BC, these two angles, corresponding angles are equal. These two corresponding angles are equal. Now in triangle APQ and triangle ABC, this angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle. So by AA similarity, triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC. Now ratios. Ratio of the area of triangle APQ and area of triangle ABC is AP square by AB square. AB means 1 square. AB means 3 plus 1, 4 square. That is the area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 16. Now transfer this one, 1 by 16 AB square. Please write down. Next. Now in this exercise, last question. In this fifth one already explained in previous concept. That's what I cannot explain in order to that fifth question. Once if you want that you revise the previous videos, you will get them. Now, eighth question. The area of two similar triangles are 81 centimeter square and 49 centimeter square. They did not mention anything. So, let us suppose area of triangle ABC is equal to 81 centimeter square and the area of triangle PQR is equal to 49 centimeter square. Okay, and if the altitude of the bigger triangle is 4.5 centimeter, obviously you can say that area is a bigger one of ABC is a bigger one. So obviously that is a bigger triangle. AD is the altitude, perpendicular line, and PM is this triangle altitude. Now AD is equal to how much I meant 4.5 centimeters. AD is perpendicular to BC and PM is perpendicular to QR. Okay, AD is equal to 4.5 centimeter. They asked PM is equal to, we have to find out. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, already I gave the statement and proved also this one. What is that? Area of the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding altitude, the ratio of the squares of their corresponding altitudes. So that point I got. Ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding altitudes. Ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding altitudes. Using this concept, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AD square by PM square. Now here I am taking altitude square. This is 81 by 49 is equal to, what is AD here? AD is 4.5. 4.5 whole square by, I'll do one thing. 4.5 by PM whole square again. Here A power M by B power M is equal to A by B whole power M. Exponent identity I used. This square transpose this side. Root of 81 by 49 is equal to 4.5 by PM. Since the root when you apply plus or minus you get, but areas and sides of the geometrical figures never be negative. So you take only positives only. 81 by 49 means 9 by 7 is equal to 4.5 by PM. Now cross multiply. 9 into PM is equal to 4.5 into 7. Now PM is equal to 4.5 into 7 by 9. 4.5 1 does, 4.5 2 does 9. So PM is equal to 7 by 2. PM is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Means the smaller triangle altitude is 3.5 centimeters. Please write down. See here, area of triangle ABC given, area of triangle PQR they given. Now, AD perpendicular to BC, PM perpendicular to QR. These are my assumptions because they did not mention particular name of the triangle. So AD is equal to 4.5 PM. I have to find out. Since triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar, ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding altitudes, not medians, sorry, not sides, because the altitude they given. Altitude you know? Yes. Now area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AD square by PM square. That is 81 by 49 is equal to 4.5 whole square by PM whole square. PM 4.5 square by PM square. That means 4.5 by PM whole square. Square transpose to other side. When you transpose square to other side, it turns to root or apply root on both sides. Anyone is okay. 81 by 49 under root is equal to 4.5 by PM. That is a 9 by 7 is equal to 4.5 by PM. Cross multiply 9 into PM is equal to 4.5 into 7. PM is equal to 4.5 into 7 by 9. 4.5 1s are 4.5 2s are, that is a 7 by 2. That is equal to 3.5 centimeters. With this your textual questions all completed in that exercise 8.3. Okay. Now one additional problem I take. Next one is the area of two similar triangles are 121 centimeter square and 64 centimeter square respectively. If the median of the first triangle is 12.1 centimeters, find the median of the other triangle. Okay. See, a previous question altitude they given in textbook. Now I am taking variance. They did not mention any name here. Median means a line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called as a median of the triangle. So let us assume that ABC is one triangle. AD is the median. PQR is another triangle. And PN is the median of this triangle. Let triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Area of and AD is a median of triangle ABC. Means median means a line which is drawn from vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Midpoint will divide into two equal parts. And PN is a median of second triangle. What they given here? Area of triangle ABC is equal to 121 centimeter square, and area of triangle PQR is equal to 164 centimeter square. and they given here AD is equal to 12.1 centimeters. Then find PN. Same concept. Area of the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their medians. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AD square by PN square. Now ABC triangle area is 121 by this is 64 is equal to AD is 12.1 by PN whole square. Again exponent identity I use. Now square transpose to other side, then what we get here? 121 by 64 and the root is equal to 12.1 by Pn. This is 121 by 64. Root is plus or minus, but in geometry areas and sides never be negatives. Length measurements. So 11 by 8 is equal to 12.1 by Pn. Now cross multiply here. 11 into Pn is equal to 8 into 12.1. Now Pn is equal to Pn is equal to 8 into 12.1 by 11. 11 on the 11.1. 11 on the 11. Pn is equal to 8.8 centimeters. Please write down. Okay, the area of these two triangles given and medians lengths, one median they given, another median we have to find out. Same concept, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their medians. So 121 by 64 is equal to 12.1 by Pn whole square. Square transpose 121 by 64 and the root is equal to 12.1 by Pn. 11 by 8 is equal to 12.1 by Pn. Pn into 11 is equal to 8 into 12.1. Transpose is 1. 11 on the 11.1. 11 on the 11. So 8.8 centimeters. So with this your similarities, similarities of the triangles, and based on that applications also completed. In next video we discuss another topic, another different concept, that is the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras, who is Pythagoras? He is a student. He was a student of Thales. Euclid student is Thales. Thales student is Pythagoras. Am I clear? So with this concept and this applications also completed. Thank you very much. Next concept with the next video. Okay, next concept we will discuss in next video. Thank you very much.